respected Director Mr. Raju, Learner Principal Nisha Joseph, respected Vice Principal Mr. Ebin, learner teachers, most respected parents, my dear loving children. Good morning to one and all. Today, on 15th August 2026, we are gathered here to celebrate the 79th anniversary of Indian independence or the 80th day of Indian independence. India's independence had a long history. Our great leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Nehru, Gopalkrishna Gokhale, Subhash Chandra Bose, and other great leaders have done a lot of sacrifice to make the present India as we see today. India is a great nation. It was possible. Now we are all living in this free India because of the great sacrifices made by these great leaders. So this is the time that we have to remember the great freedom fighters and the people, those who have laid their lives for the freedom of our mother nation. We are all living happily because of them. So it is the time to give a real tribute to each one of them for their great sacrifices. Dear parents, respected teachers, and my dear loving children, you three are the real asset of this nation. Parents, teachers, and students. Last few days back, our Honorable Prime Minister of India, Sri Narendra Modi ji, was addressing, youth is the power of the nation. Youth is the power of the nation. This power is generating from the hands of parents and teachers. If parents are really doing their service, the nation will be prosperous. The country will have a bright future. Parents have taken a wise decision of sending your children to Montessori Prime School. And this Montessori Prime School at Illandu is a CBSE affiliated school. It is only one school in the Illandu constituency, Illandu Mandal, which has got the affiliation from Central Board of Secondary Education, New Delhi. It is possible only because of the determination of the parents, trusted the parents in Montessori school, the hard work of our teachers, and the enthusiasm of our students. When parents, teachers, students join together, we can do wonders. This is what we have experienced all these 34 years. My life in Illandu is entering into 34th year. 34 years, I have seen a lot of changes in Illandu, especially in the field of education. Each and every parent is thinking how best you have to get education for your children. That is the great change in the society what we are experiencing. Dear parents, your trust in Montessori is the trust you are investing for your children's bright future. When you send your children to Montessori Prime, it is because of your trust in Montessori. We know our teachers are the backbone of the institution. Their hard work, their dedication, their commitment are making Montessori as a fruitful school for the future of the children. Day and night, our teachers are doing hard work. Of course, these teachers are just like our soldiers. You see, our soldiers are able to protect the nation from enemies because they have weapons in their hands. Without weapons, they cannot protect the nation. Whereas our teachers, they have a weapon. They have a lot of knowledge. They have a lot of commitment. They are here to give the best for the children. In the course of their activities, they will be thinking how best they can transform the society. Because each and every child sitting in front of us are the promise of the future. The future of the nation lies in classrooms. From the classrooms, these children should become great citizens. Tomorrow, they have to go beyond the boundaries of the nation. They have to go to other nations. They should see that the whole world is one. It is possible with the unity of our teachers. Our teachers have come from different states, but they have only one feeling: Montessori Prime School should be the best school in Ilando. The students of Montessori Prime School should get a real education. Education nowadays is very challenging, my dear parents. To get education, our teachers should be committed, parents should be cooperative, and students should be interested in learning something. See, this is the era where we are living with artificial intelligence. Everything is available in the Google or in the social media. When the students are spending more time in social media, they are going away from the textbooks. They are going away from the classrooms. So on this fine morning, I request the parents to take care of their children, your children's education to the maximum possible extent. You have every right to come to the campus, talk to the teachers, talk to the principal, and see that your child is becoming the best citizen of the country, the best global citizen. This can be possible only with your continuous support, my dear parents. Parents, as I told you, you are the backbone of the institution. If Montessori school is standing as a global school, the best school in Ilando, it is only because of the trust of the parents. You don't leave this trust. Our teachers will do hard work day and night. They will be doing their best to improve the bright future of the children. So dear parents, when your children are speaking in mother tongue, you have to tell them, speak only in English, because English is the common language. English is the universal language. If they are good at English, they can go beyond the boundaries. So wherever I go, I tell my teachers, concentrate on theory activities mainly. Speak only in English and see that our students are reading properly and our students are getting enrichment in their knowledge. So when we celebrate Independence Day, each and every parent should have a real dream. What your son, what your daughter should become in the future. That can be possible only with your support in the classroom. Your teachers, our teachers are here only to train the students. They have no other activity in Ilando. They have come from different states to educate these children in the best possible way. So you please support the teachers. And my children, they have to understand the need of their dear children. Respect your teachers, love your parents. When you think about your artificial intelligence or social media, don't forget the best social media is your father and mother. As we know, parents are the first teachers. Whatever the parents are teaching, what kind of training the parents are giving at home, it will be carried to the classrooms, and in the classroom, the teachers are modifying it and molding it. So on this Independence Day, I wish you all success to all my parents, students and teachers. May God bless you all. Jai Hind.